This is Paul Turner, the Immigration Barrister at Imperium Chambers. Thanks for tuning in. If you have an immigration problem, please get in touch with me and I'll do my best to help. Today's video is on a very concerning trend that we have noticed recently. This is a result of the war in Ukraine, which has meant that the Home Office has prioritised applications from Ukrainians fleeing the invasion, which is understandable and humane. But however, this has meant that there's been increasing delays in the processing time for almost all other types of applications. This is a trend we expect to see throughout the summer and potentially for as long as the war goes on. The Home Office has also suspended the priority consideration service for all entry clearance applications made under the work, study and family routes. Many visa centres abroad are advising clients that their applications will take some 6 weeks to be considered, even if they're very straightforward applications. The Home Office have announced delays and backlogs affecting sponsors to the skilled worker and global business mobility routes, as well as UK family-based applications. Whilst it's commendable that the Home Office is helping those from the Ukraine, it is disappointing that this is meaning exceptional delays for other clients. It seems that the simple way of addressing this problem would be that the Home Office increases its resources during this time, rather than simply shifting things around and prejudicing people who have a legitimate right to come to the United Kingdom and who seek to comply with the immigration rules. Clients need to be reminded that if they have an application outstanding, that they can't travel outside the United Kingdom whilst it's pending, and they should avoid planning trips in the near future, as if they leave during an application whilst it's still pending, it will be considered as abandoned. If you have any upcoming trips planned, it is vital that you get your application as soon as possible, and we can help with that. And we can see if there are special reasons as to why that application should be dealt with quickly. It is dealt with quickly. It is a sad indictment that the Home Office is stretched so thin that it can't even deal with normal asylum seekers, normal applications, especially those from abroad, and those people that have sought to comply with the immigration rules, rather than abandoning everything else and seeking to deal with the crisis in Ukraine. It's also worth remembering that that it wasn't the UK or the USA that invaded Ukraine, it was Russia. We don't see the same sort of help for people from Afghanistan or Iraq, where the UK and the US actually invaded and caused a huge number of problems. Indeed, we see the opposite. We see the Secretary of State trying to deport them to Rwanda, where they can live the rest of their lives out, apparently in comfort under a regime that has an appalling human rights record. So this is a disappointing video which highlights again the shortcomings of the Home Office and the fact that while the Secretary of State talks tough, she's unable to deliver on pretty much anything. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. And as I say, if you have any immigration problem, please contact me. This is Paul Turner, the Immigration Barrister at Imperium Chambers.